you mentioned kanina off screen na you are a fashion influencer. So, paano ka nag-start dun and who are your favorite designers?
Oh, well, yeah. I start content creation I think pandemic, so 2020. Like, really starting pagiging content creator ko, and then before naman that, ano na talaga, it's more like connected to fashion na talaga ako, and then about like fit, like I'm doing like yoga, and then I'm gonna like do fit check, like usual.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
Sino yung paborito mong designers?
Oh, designer, I'm not really know, but fashion content creator, like I look forward always Filipino fashion content creator called David Gison. David Gison.
David Gison. Okay. Yeah. So, ano yung masasabi mo na recently may collaboration yung SB19 with Francis Liberan na yung ano nga Fast Zone concert?
Oh yeah, oh my god, like nakita ko yun, yung outfit, like ginawa nilang collaboration, like yung concert, sobrang ganda, and I think that's the first time, right?
Yeah.
First time. So alam mo yun, like nakakatuwa lang na makita na nag-elevate yun, like yung industry ng entertainment dito sa atin, and then we did that as designer na din kasi mas napapakita natin worldwide kung gaano kagagaling yung mga talento.